Hey everyone, you can get LeetCode free packs and goodies such as t-shirt, cap, LeetCode kit, laptop sleeves as well as a notebook. See, there are multiple ways you can get um, earn LeetCode coins, such as there are daily check-ins as well as daily challenges and weekly challenges. So I would recommend you doing contribution mission. As you can see, it provides more points. Also, there are contests weekly, as well as if you place in these top ranks, then you can get more points. Also, if you connect your social media accounts such as LinkedIn, Google, GitHub, or and Facebook, then you will earn points from these. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it as well as join the Telegram channel. And also, you can check out the swag playlist for all the currently ongoing swag events. Thank you.